YouTube, SKNATION, STEFFKICKS family. It's your boy, it's your guy, it's your homie, STEFFKICKS. I'm back at it with another video. Yeah! You good? What's up? Today's video is a video that I should have put out months ago, weeks ago. But of course, because of the situation that I had with FedEx, as we mentioned in the previous video, if you haven't watched it, by the way, go watch it now. I wasn't able to put this video out as quick as I wanted to, but nonetheless, I am here to give you guys the information you need on the Jordan 1 OG High Dark Mochas. But before we do that, you guys know we gotta take care of business. If you're a returning viewer, thank you for coming back. If this is your first time here, on this channel you get mall vlogs, SneakerCon vlogs, unboxings, and reviews. If that's something you're interested in, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel down low. Now let's go. The Jordan 1 OG High Dark Mochas. Let's not waste any time. Let's get right into this. Now, this sneaker caught a lot of people's eyes for one reason and one reason only. And everybody knows what it is. All you sneakerheads out there and some people who are well knowledgeable about what's going on in the sneaker community know that this sneaker was highly sought after simply because of the Travis Scott 1. Now, a lot of people say that this is a poor man's Travis Scott 1, and me personally, I don't agree. I think that this shoe stands on its own, and I'm not just saying that because I have a pair now. I think everybody needs to give this sneaker its respect simply because it's such a dope sneaker. The color blocking is of course different. I think the brown is different, but also when you really think about it, other people that own the Travis Scott 1, they still want this sneaker as well. Probably to compare the two or just to stunt to say that they have both, but still it's a sneaker that people want to have, whether you have the Travis Scott 1 or not. The materials on it are very, very plush. They came with somewhat of a premium leather on it. I think they really did a great job. As I mentioned, the color blocking of course is different because the Travis Scott 1 was brown all through the sneaker, whereas the color blocking on this version is black here and around the toe box. The Nike sign on the outer section of the shoe is not backwards like it is on the Travis Scott version. If you're not sure what that sneaker looks like, first of all, you're living under a rock. Secondly, it looks like this. Nice. Again, I didn't like that sneaker when I first saw it because with the color blocking and the color vision on that sneaker, I envisioned this sneaker, but eventually it grew on me, and yes, I did have 2 pairs for retail and I sold them. Sorry guys, but your boy cashed in. That's right, I cashed in. So hey, I'm not complaining. Moving forward with the design of the sneaker, that Nike swoosh goes all the way around the sneaker onto the inner section of the sneaker. You have your color blocking in the tan at the top, and as well, a lot of people, myself included, thought that this sneaker, especially in this section here, was white, but it's not. Looking at it with the naked eye, that is sail. The midsole, of course, is sail as well. It's not white. You can also tell at the difference that it is not white here by comparing the colors to the laces. When you compare them with the toe box and here, it's a little off. So that's how we know that it's sail, with your black on the bottom of the sole. Do you prefer black or white? Leave it in the comment section. Me personally, I prefer the white laces. The black kind of takes a little bit away from it, but nonetheless, both colorways are amazing. So I would rock them probably just like this or with both white. I'm in the market for some pink laces, lace companies. Question. Do you like gifts? I mean, it is that time of year, right? Hold on. If you're like me, your AirPods go absolutely everywhere with you. It really doesn't matter. Wherever I go, I have them with me. Sometimes they face water damage or you drop them. You need to protect them. I'm telling you this because STEFFKICKS got you. So I teamed up with the Hype Case store and they sent over this Yeezy Boost shoebox AirPod case. Such a sick idea and a dope accessory for my AirPods. They got amazing deals going on their website right now. You can accessorize your AirPods, your mom's AirPods, your dad's AirPods, your uncle's AirPods, and your friend's AirPods. Why not? When you get on their website, before you check out, use my code STEFFKICKS32 for 10% off. You can thank me later. Now back to the video. You also have your Nike tab on the tongue, of course. It's an original Jordan silhouette, so you're always gonna have that Nike tab. As far as resale goes, right now these sneakers are sitting at about 600 Canadian, which is pretty crazy. And it most likely will go higher. Make sure that you keep your pair on ice because eventually these will go up. Now I have an excuse because in this part of the world it snows, so in the winter, I don't wear these, even though today I am wearing a different pair, but that doesn't matter. I'm gonna keep mine on ice for a little while until at least next summer. And the best part about this sneaker, I almost forgot to talk about. This mocha suede at the back. This material is amazing. When you touch it, you can tell that it's premium quality material because every time you run your fingers through it, it changes in the pattern that you rub it in, and it sits so nicely. Definitely a pair you should have in your collection if you are a sneaker. Before we go, guys, as you know, it's a normal thing on the channel to give our love and show our support back to those who support us. So let's get to these shout outs. First off, I want to shout out a fellow SHOETUBER, Big Al. Please follow him on his IG. I will make sure I link his socials down below. He's got a decent channel out there. He's doing a lot of good things. He's growing every day. He shows the channel a lot of love. Follow him on his IG at ReyTheGem. Salute, bro. As far as IG supporters, I want to shout out Philly Dutch Masterson. We have a lot of good conversations about sneakers, about life, and all the things that are going on in the world today. He's a big supporter of the channel, so I want to make sure I give a quick shout out to him. I really appreciate it, bro. Make sure you guys go follow him on IG. I just want to make sure that I give my love back. Salute, bro. SKNATION, STEFFKICKS family. Thank you guys so much for watching today. Make sure you're following me on my socials at STEFFKICKS on Twitter and IG to be fully informed on what's going on. I'm doing a giveaway with my brothers, the SolesOut family. Shout out Gem, shout out Josh, shout out Debo. We are going to be giving away some I'm not going to give it away, so make sure that you pay attention to my socials. Make sure you follow them as well on their socials. I will make sure that I link them below. It's going to be a great giveaway. You guys don't want to miss this one. With all that said, guys, it's your boy STEFFKICKS. As we always say, shoe love is true love, and I'm going to catch you in the next one. Yeah!